Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend tax planning strategy for business owners, and how a smart step-by-step plan can help you reduce tax pressure, manage cash flow, and keep more of your business profits. To begin with, dividends are profits that a corporation pays to you as a shareholder. For business owners, this can be a powerful way to take money out of the company, but it must be planned carefully because dividends are usually taxed personally. That means the way you pay yourself can directly affect how much tax you owe and how much money you keep. First, you need to know your numbers. Review your company's financial position, check retained earnings, understand available after-tax profit, and look at your personal income situation. Without clear numbers, dividend planning becomes guesswork. However, when you know your income, tax bracket, and company profits, you can make smarter decisions. Next, set your goals clearly. Ask yourself whether you need income now or later, whether you are saving for retirement, expanding the business, investing, or supporting family expenses. This step matters because your dividend strategy should match your real financial goals, not just your tax goals. After that, understand the tax rates that apply to dividends. In many tax systems, eligible dividends and non-eligible dividends may be taxed differently. For example, dividends from active business income may not be treated the same as dividends from other sources. Therefore, knowing your tax bracket and the type of dividend helps you plan better and avoid unexpected tax bills. Then, focus on timing. Instead of taking large dividends all at once, you may plan dividend payments in years when your personal income is lower. This can help you avoid moving into a higher tax bracket. In some cases, spreading dividends over multiple years may save thousands of dollars in taxes compared with taking everything in one year. At the same time, business owners should think carefully about the salary and dividend mix. A reasonable salary can create personal income and may allow certain deductions or retirement contributions, while dividends can distribute remaining profits. The right balance depends on your business income, personal needs, and long-term plans. As a result, salary plus dividends can often be more flexible than relying on only one payment method. Moreover, consider how the small business deduction may affect your company. If your business qualifies, this deduction may reduce corporate tax on active business income, leaving more after-tax profit inside the corporation. That extra money can later be reinvested, saved, or paid out as dividends when the timing is better. Another important point is family involvement. If family members are legitimate shareholders or are involved in the business, dividend splitting may sometimes help reduce the overall family tax burden. However, this area has strict rules, so it should be handled carefully and legally with professional advice. Finally, review and adjust your plan every year. Tax laws change, business profits change, personal goals change, and family needs also change. Because of this, a dividend strategy that worked last year may not be the best strategy this year. Regular review helps you stay tax efficient and avoid costly mistakes. In addition, keep proper records for every dividend payment. Maintain board minutes, dividend resolutions, payment records, and accurate accounting documents. Also remember that dividends are generally not deductible to the corporation, so they should be planned with full understanding of both corporate and personal tax impact. Overall, dividend tax planning is not just about paying less tax. It is about building a smarter system for income, reinvestment, retirement, and long-term wealth. With the right planning, business owners can keep more cash, make better decisions, and create stronger financial freedom for themselves and their families. This video is for general educational purposes only and should not be taken as personal tax advice. Always consult a qualified accountant, tax advisor, or financial professional before making dividend or business tax decisions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.